Hey guys, 2016 RT here. Just have a quick question. Does a fresh oil change actually increase your performance at all, or response? Normally I would say no, but I went to the dealer yesterday and got an oil change, and I noticed for some reason today my car is responsive as hell. I was experiencing a little lag time before getting the oil change, so I don't know if it was actually having an oil change or if they did some kind of reset or update to my PCM, but it's definitely driving different today than it was prior to getting the oil change. And like I said, it's responsive as hell. So I don't know if you guys can kind of chime in and put in the comments below what you think, if getting a fresh oil change actually helps improve throttle response or performance at all. For me, it sure feels like it. I can't say for certain that's what it is. Again, I don't know if they updated my PCM or something. They did plug some kind of unit up to my OBD port. I'm not sure if that was just to get a report from the car's computer, or if that reset or refreshed the settings in the PCM or something. Again, I don't know. I can't explain it, but this thing is responsive as hell today after the oil change. Let me know what you guys think below. All right, have a good Sunday. What you think?